Hello there, it is I, Cassowary. And today, me and the birds are gonna eat food for Christmas. So let's go. It seems like Flamingo prepared the food from the table. Let's sit. Oh boy, we can see Christmas cupcakes, Christmas cookies, gingerbread man, Christmas cake, pudding, ham, turkey, milk, and hot chocolate milk which has marshmallows in it. This is going to be very delicious. Are you ready to eat the food from Christmas? Yes, we are ready. Alright then, bon appetit. Bon appetit. Alright, since we've put the dishes to wash, did you like the food you ate for Christmas? Yeah, and it tasted good.
The Christmas cake was delicious.
The turkey tastes so good. The ham, pudding, and Christmas cookies tasted so good. Well, I've New Year's cooked turkey. The hot chocolate milk with marshmallows tasted good. The white milk I drank is so good. The cupcakes tasted good. Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas to you too,